My turn. At. Pat. Your turn. Good job. My turn. At. Pat. Your turn. Good work. At. Sat. At. Sat. You try. Sat is tricky, isn't it? When it starts with this letter, at, pat, but when we start with this letter, at, sat. This dog's name starts with a capital letter because it's his name, is at, sat. Put them together. Cat, sat. Can you see him sitting?
Yeah.
Watch my finger sliding. Pat, sat. You try. Good work. And then what did he do?
Pat.
Sat. Good, let's put it together. Pat, sat. You try.
How would you like your name?
High five. That was wonderful
And the
work. You worked so hard there.